morning. I am so excited for today. We have a special trip planned and I'm just gonna say Hanukkah for the first time. Good morning! Yeah! Are you ready?
Yeah, never been more.
We are super psyched to what are we calling this? Like makeover of the Ponyback warehouse?
Ponyback warehouse makeover.
Ponyback warehouse makeover. Coming at you today. When we first moved in here, it was all about like function. we went from
moved in and then like the next week we had to be packing like 2,000 orders.
Yeah. We did not have time for prettiness. It was all about just like what can this place like how can it just work for us? But now we're like no, we want to make this more of like a studio vibe.
Half studio, half warehouse.
Yeah, we have to like this end that you see here. I'm just gonna take you on like a 360. We're gonna just purdy this up a little bit. We have some big plans that we're excited to share with you. And today, Hanukkah and I are going on our first ever
IKEA
field trip. I was gonna say. It's gonna be fun. Okay, so come on, car, open my trunk. Just got to make a pit stop at the post office, and then we are rolling to IKEA, baby. Here we go. Oh my goodness.
We are ready.
We're ready. First ever field trip. First, we have to go to the post office. I'm determined I can carry 6 at a time comfortably like that.
In 300 meters, turn left onto Bridge Street, Regional Road 12.
They're gonna get all the directions to IKEA.
Yeah, literally. They can just watch our YouTube video on the way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Starbies it is.
Obviously.
What'd you get?
Pumpkin spice latte.
Brown sugar oat shaken espresso. It's a must try.
We're here! We are so new. We're like, where do we go? We don't know where to go. Where do we start? We're going to the showroom, I guess. Showroom, here we come. Okay, we found some picture
This is a
frames.
possible gift.
Yeah, so what do? You know you're beginners when like you don't know where the carts are.
You can't find them anywhere, so we're just out here carrying.
Loading up, guys. We have bags now. Now we know what we're doing. Not really.
I could see me quality.
You did quality check with that? Why can't this literally come apart? Are you capturing
Yeah.
this video? Like, literally, this is the second time we've tried.
Yes. This is gonna be the mirror you'll see everything in now. Our
Yes.
stories.
So we're gonna do our selfies in the warehouse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So much fun assembling this one. We did it. Okay, guys. We spent under $1,000.
Why is IKEA a maze?
I don't know. It's even a maze.
Out of it.
Yeah, that was hilarious. We had no idea where we were going.
We were like newbies at it. We could not figure it out.
No. It would be easy to miss stuff. Like you're just gawking at like everything.
You don't know
Oh my
where to
God,
look.
It's also beautiful.
Yeah, like you don't know where to look.
No.
We're like out there admiring like what could go in like a kitchen, and we're not even
know.
we're not even here shopping for
Look at all these
anything.
kitchen
Yeah,
accessories.
exactly. Like you just look at it all.
So one of the things that we are getting my father-in-law to do is to install a new light because
we have to walk to the end in the dark.
yeah, it's a little bit of a health and safety hazard, not gonna lie. So are you gonna go turn the light on?
Yeah.
Don't trip. So we are gonna get a light switch, hopefully, fingers crossed, as everything works fine. Right? Yeah. It's gonna be amazing.
Which will save us so much.
It's gonna be like game changing.
Yeah, game changing.
Guess what we're doing today? We're building a hat wall. We are building a hat wall. It's gonna be epic. Let's start building a hat wall. Let's do it. I'm pumped. Okay, what do we need for a hat wall? On this wall, around the Ponyback sign. It looks good in my head. I am not sure if it's gonna look good in reality. We will find out. Here we go. 135 hats. You ready? 135 hats.
Wow!
That's a lot of hats. I really have forgotten that I'm going to need to take off 135 stickers. Okay, so the plan is to take the command strips and attach them to the wall and then hang the hats on the command strips. That's the plan. See if it all goes according to plan. Why are these different sizes? There's some big ones and some little ones. Amazon. Okay, remember to do this. Put this on the wall. Wall, black side. Command side. It tells you that's good. What I'm doing is I'm just gonna open up the magnet a little bit in the back, a little peephole. Gonna hang it on. We tested this before. It should work. Voila! We have our first hat hung, which you can't see on that. Or that one. That's cool. You can't see it either. I'm so hilarious. Look at the one hat. The one hat in the corner. Classic. Okay. Okay, here's what I'm doing, you guys. It works perfectly. So if you want to hang your hats like this at home, I mean you can. So I opened up the back. I took my little command strip and literally just peepholed the top here, like so. Epic. Thank you so much for tuning in this week. We are super pumped to show you what's coming up next in our makeover. I can't contain myself, honestly. Like, we are getting so excited about all the minor little things. Like a light switch. It's a big deal. Anyway, as always, thank you so much. Have a fabulous week. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.